This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the wheel from the bike and shifting to the smallest cog to ease tire removal. Once done, fully deflate the tube and press the bead away from the rim. This reduces tension and prevents damage. Use 2 tire levers and slide them under the bead about 2–3 inches apart, then lever gently around the rim until one side is off. Do this patiently so the lever doesn't pinch the rim tape or scratch the rim surface. You now pull the tire and tube completely off and inspect both carefully. Check the rim tape for nicks or movement because exposed spoke holes will puncture a new tube. Replace tape if damaged. Scan the tires inside for sharp debris and examine the bead for deformities. When ready, insert the new tube just enough to align the valve through the rim hole, making sure the tube sits untwisted. Then tuck the rest of the tire bead back over the rim so the tube stays centered as you continue. You finish by inflating the tire in stages. First to about 20–30% of final pressure to let the bead find its seat, then continue to the recommended PSI while ensuring the bead seats evenly around the rim. Make sure rim tape stays centered and the valve is straight. Spin the wheel to check for wobbles or bulges. Reinstall and secure the wheel, then test ride briefly and recheck pressure. If the bead won't seat, deflate, reseat the bead manually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.